Hey, what's up mga kasisid? Another day, another sisid. So today, meron tayong couple. Their honeymoon today. So they will do 30-meter dive. I already finished na exercise sila. Kaya let's see how it goes. Hey, what's up mga kasisid? Another day, another sisid. Good? Ready? We're ready for dive. How was it? Job fun? Okay. Thank you guys. Okay, what's up guys? So we finished on our first dive. So I have two couple. They're really good in the water. So yung guy nag-aral ng diving sa Pilipinas, then yung wife niya nag-aral sa South Korea. So they're from Seoul. So they're doing their honeymoon here in Dubai. So it's good.